making a recipe that I remember from my college days. We're going to be making American Chopsuey. This recipe, I presume, came from the US and came down to India, and today you can find it in Chinese restaurants all over the country. I love this recipe because it's so simple to prepare, but also it packs in so many vegetables. Typically, it's made vegetarian, but you can also make this using chicken. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm cooking half a pound of noodles. This is roughly 225 grams. First, these are going to be cooked in hot water. Then I'm going to drain it. And once it's drained, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil so they don't stick together. Heat some oil and fry these noodles in batches. I prefer to cook these about a quarter at a time. Once they're in the oil, they tend to stick together and create a disc-like shape if you don't move them around. Fry all the noodles until they're nice and crispy, and then remove it and leave it aside. Now for the veggies. I have 2 cups of shredded cabbage, 1 cup julienne of carrot, and 1 cup julienne of green pepper. Mix all of these together. Next, I'm going to heat up some oil in a wok. Add 1 cup of sliced white onion. Add a quarter cup of sliced spring onion bulbs. Three tablespoons of minced garlic. And I'm also going to add 500 grams of chicken, which I just cut into thin strips. Chicken is optional, and you can totally make this vegetarian if you want. Saute the chicken till it's cooked. Add salt to taste. Add half of the veggies we mixed together earlier. The reason I'm only adding half is so that I can have these veggies contribute to the gravy, and the other half will be added later. Add half a cup of light soy sauce, a quarter cup of vinegar, a quarter cup of chili paste, and half a cup of ketchup. Mix this in well together and add 2 cups of stock. Heat up the stock and allow the veggies to cook. Once the veggies are nice and mushy, we want to thicken this with half a cup of a cornstarch slurry. This is literally just cornstarch and water. Now it's time to add the rest of the veggies in. In this recipe, the idea is to use veggies two ways. One is to create the base, and the second half is used for texture. Toss this in for a minute and serve it over the crispy noodles. This is optional, especially if you're making a vegetarian version, but you can serve this with a sunny side egg on top. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for American Chopsuey. It's one of my favorites. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And do share my videos with your family and friends so they can also enjoy all of these amazing recipes. And make sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I upload a ton of behind the scenes footage there. So make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.